Okay, fitting the Shad Sissy bar. First thing we're going to do is remove this, what do you call it, fascia, this plastic cover, by removing these two bolts. Ignore the fact that I've got holes. It's already been fitted to my bike, so I've already drilled the holes. So remove these bolts. And then remove the plastic cover. Now, you will have a bolt here and a bolt here that need to be removed and stored. We're not going to put them back in, we're going to use the bolts from the fitting kit, but keep them safe in case you want to take the Sissy bar off and put it all back. Now, in the instructions there is a template for drilling the holes in the plastic cover. Be very careful when you do it. It's very easy to do a bad job. Also, it's worth pointing out that this piece of plastic isn't structural. It doesn't form an integral part of the fitting. So you could, if you didn't want to drill the holes in it, just leave it off completely and fit it without that. And that way, if you take the Sissy bar off, then you can put that back on without any holes in it. Once you've drilled the holes, if you're going to drill the holes, you can put the plastic cover back on. Or if you're leaving it off, you can leave it off. We line up this plate. We're going to put the thinner of the two spacers in the back hole and the thicker in the front hole. Taking our Allen bolt and washer, feed through the back, and our larger bolt and washer through the front. So you would remove these two bolts, take the cover off, remove the bolts from here and here, drill your holes if you were going to drill holes, and put it all back on once you've done that. If you're not going to drill holes, you can leave this piece off. Once you've done that bit, put the larger of the two spacers in the front, the smaller of the spacers in the back. Put the bolt in the rear and the bigger bolt in the front. Okay, so that's that side done, and now we want to get the actual Sissy bar fitted. It is just as simple as slotting it in like so. Get the bolt and the washer, and then tighten them up. And once they're all on, job done.